Basically, my Mustang GT is no longer going to be a Mustang GT, and I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it. More gas, more gas. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I am Matt. In case you're new to the channel, I upload 2 times a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. So if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and click subscribe. But anyway, today this is the first video I am unveiling for my new project. And I'm calling this Project FoxBody Tarheel. Why Tarheel? Well, for regular viewers, it's obvious. I'm a huge fan of the hills. We're right in the middle of the college basketball season. It's about to be ACC regular season time. And I just love the Tar Heels. So that's what this project name is going to be. I'm going to tag all my pictures to do with this project on Instagram. So if you want to follow that, it's Gearhead 704 on Instagram as well. But since today is the first video, what we're going to do is we're going to be unboxing all of this, all these parts, and I'm going to let you know a little bit about some of the plans I have for the convertible FoxBody here. Not all of them. We're not going to get into every detail, but we're going to get pretty far in. I think this is probably going to be maybe a 5 or 6 part series. I really don't know. But it's winter time. It's a good time for projects. And yeah, I've been wanting to do this to my car for a long time. So the first thing I got to do though, is I've got to be able to have a good surface to put all these parts out on. And as you see right now, we don't have a ton of room in here. So I got to get the FoxBody out of the way. I got it all set up like this because I just got my thumbnail, and if you're a YouTuber, you know that thumbnails are important. So I work pretty hard on those. So yeah, just got my thumbnail, and now I'm gonna move all this stuff back out of the way, and we're gonna go through it box by box. Okay, so this one I kind of already partially opened, but we've actually got a door handle in here. New door handles are part of the project. You can definitely see there's some other stuff in here. I could say that the door handles are coming off, and there's nothing really wrong with mine, but it's gonna be easier just put new ones on, plus it was part of this kit. This is a 87 to 93 restoration kit. So let's see what else we got in here. Another door handle. 2 sides, right? 2 door handles. We have got some trim here. 85 to 93 convertible top header. Top header weather strip. We've got some black trim. This is our 3rd brake light assembly. We need a new 3rd brake light. Why do we need a new 3rd brake light? Well, you're gonna find out. Mine does work, by the way. No, actually mine doesn't work. All right, here we go. We've got 8793 retainers and sealers, tail light lenses. Oh, we've got a part for a new tail light lens. Yes, I'm getting rid of the cheese grater tail lights. I know a lot of you are fans of those. Probably a lot more of you are fans of the LX tail lights. I don't like either one, but just to give you a hint what's coming here. Let's see what else we got. Windshield lower moldings. Now mine are and messed up. I will show that to you guys here. Okay, yeah, these are those lower windshield moldings I was just pointing out. You can see mine, well, I guess they're not really cracked, but they are definitely faded. Let's look underneath here. Since my cowl grill's already broken, like many of them are. Yeah, you can see this part right here. So it's not so much about it being cracked, but more how faded they are and what the age of them are. We'll look at the other side here. Yeah, this one's loose, but actually they're not cracked. So again, though, it was again, that was just something that came with the resto kit. So I'm getting a lot of good components. Some of them I don't need, some of them I do, but might as well put on new stuff, you know, anyway. So let's see what else is in there. Okay, we've got another convertible top center slide rail. Basically a lot of weather stripping for the convertible. This is the other side, looks like. Could this be a hint as to what's coming? We've got a Cobra emblem. Perhaps. All right, let's see. This one is quarter window outer belt for the convertible top. All this weather stripping, it's gonna look really good. Okay, this is front of door belt mold. Yeah, so my belt molding is actually really terrible. And I will show you that. So this is that part I just showed you that's gonna replace this. It is severely faded. And this actually, this other version here is cracked. You can probably see those cracks there where it's chipped. I guess chipped, not cracked. Chipped's the right word. So yeah, I'm getting all new belt weather molding. The other side's not much better, so yeah, I'm gonna replace that on both sides. All right, this is the left-hand front of door belt molding, left-handed mirror. So this is the left side of what I just showed you. This is another piece for the third brake light. Okay, here we got a longer piece. Yeah, these are, I think these are the long pieces of the door belt weather trimming. Doesn't say, but that's what they look like to me. That longer piece that I was showing you that was chipped. All right, we've got the pillar post weather stripping. Now I know that I did replace this before on mine, but might as well go ahead and put all fresh new rubber in since it came in. Here we've got another piece for the third brake light. This one here is outer door belt molding. Okay. Here we've got another for the pillar post on the left-hand side, that fresh rubber. Another Cobra symbol. We've got one for each side now. I know what this is. Yeah, Cobra hatch emblem. So this actually says Cobra. Get it out. There we go. Look at that. That is nice. So for those of you that don't know, I'm a huge fan of the 93 Cobras. I always wanted one. Are we turning mine into a 93 Cobra? There is somebody that already did that. That's not what we're doing, but it's kind of what we're doing. It's in the direction of. Yeah, so anyway, let's keep going through the stuff. I think you guys are starting to figure this out. Okay, and we've got, this is for the cowl grill. Parts to install the cowl grill. For those that have been following the channel for a while, so yeah, we do have a cowl grill here as well. I actually want a cowl grill. In fact, it's in this box right over here, behind my old cluster. Yeah, you can see cowl grill there. So I won one at Foxtoberfest. I actually don't need another one, but again, it was a part that came in the resto kit, and I needed most of this other stuff. So I have an extra cowl grill. If anybody needs one, let me know. We've got a lot of extra parts actually, but yeah, if you need a 87 to 93 cowl grill for your FoxBody, hit me up. And that is it for this box. So we've got one down, several to go. And as you can see, this box did come from LMR, Late Model Restoration Parts. They have all kinds of great stuff for FoxBodies. If you guys watch Foxcast Media or Brutal Vlogs, you see that they probably get a lot of their parts from there. But yeah, I'm not sponsored by LMR in any way, of course. I mean, I don't even have 100 subscribers on YouTube, so they're not sponsoring me, but I did get all of this stuff on a Black Friday deal, and they had a lot of good deals. Okay, it looks like the rest of our weather stripping here. Get this out of the way. And I think I know what's in here. Okay, we had 2 more boxes in the bottom of that. Let's get into this one here. All right, let's see. Look at that. That is a Cobra taillight lens. Just like the SVO taillights, except right here, the SVO had black, I believe, and the Cobra has gray. So you can see their covers. They're actually gonna go on top of my current taillight assemblies. And that's why we needed some of those different installation kits. Let's just kind of mock one of these up real quick. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that That is really gonna look so much better than the cheese grater. Yeah. So these here just pop off. You can see the gap there. I'm so excited about these right now. I've been wanting these for years. It's finally gonna happen. And of course the other box just has the one for the other side, so no need to open that. What is it? What is it? Okay, just got it out. You guys tell what it is? Probably so. Trunk lid, whatever you want to call them, deck lid, same thing. But this one here, luggage rack, okay? And the luggage rack, what you can do is you can reuse this existing one, okay? And you have to fill all these holes. All right, all the holes have to be filled when you take that off. Yeah, the problem with filling all the holes is just the expense of it. It's not that you can't do it. So if anybody wants to buy a convertible hatch with a luggage rack on there, you know, that can be, I've got one of those for sale too. But yeah, so I got a new deck lid, new lights. I think you guys know where this is going, but let's just keep unboxing. Got this box that has Flowmaster on it. For those of you who don't know, which is probably nobody, Flowmaster makes mufflers and tailpipes and that kind of thing, and exhaust kits basically. And I already have Flowmasters on the Mustang there. You know, I do. I already have a Flowmaster American Thunder catback kit, 2-chamber. So why do I have another Flowmaster box? Some of you might have guessed already, but we have new tailpipes here. See, my current tailpipes are GT, so they have these turn downs underneath. See that? But essentially, the tailpipe comes out under here. And for what I'm going to be doing, the turn downs are not going to look good because the tailpipes are going to come out more like this now for what I need. So I have yet another part that I've replaced on this car before that I no longer need. You guys are probably starting to, you know, understand this is how it goes when you're project building a car. You go one way for a while and then you end up changing it. So those existing tailpipes have been on there since 2004, so quite a long time. All we've got left is this box that says Cervini's. Well, not this box, but all these boxes over there that say Cervini's. And we've been through everything else. These also did come from LMR, and you probably already have a good idea of what this is gonna be, but if not, I'm gonna show you. And in this one, we've got a Cervini's body kit. Let's see which side this goes. Right. Okay. Right here. Yeah, I believe, nope. Here. All right, this is what it looks like now. This will be going away, and we're gonna get a smooth version of this. This is part of the body kit that was on the 93 Cobra, and I think that that particular body kit looks the best. So yes, we are going with a Cobra body kit. And let me show you the rest of the pieces. Okay, we got the next Cervini's box here. And inside, we have, probably guess this was coming, a Cobra grill inserts. Here we go. I don't want to open this up all the way, but you can see there's the pony running in the middle, and that will go right here, of course. And I'll show you where this goes. So right now it just says Ford in the middle right here, and you can see where some of the paint's chipped off mine there. But this, you actually cut this part of the bumper out, and this will go right here, and you'll have the horse running across, which was in, you know, that's in modern day Mustangs, it's in the old ones. But for a while there, they just had Ford up front. They no longer had the Mustang or the pony. So yeah, that's part of the Cobra kit. And I think it looks way, way better on the front end of the cars than just the Ford logo. Okay, so now we're on to one of the bigger Cervini boxes, and let's see what we got in here. There is a reason I need a new deck lid, new trunk lid. No Cobra Mustang is complete without the wing. There we go. Now obviously it's gonna sit further back, but you kind of get the idea. So new deck lid with the Cobra wing going on it. And we'll obviously have to drill new holes in the new deck lid for that, but that'll be a lot easier and a lot cheaper than trying to fill this one. Two more boxes. It's one of the last two. And this is more of the Cobra body part, or body kit. Comes with all the installation stuff you need. All right, let me see if I can show you guys what this is, what this replaces. It's basically replacing the ground effects. The stock ones, for one thing, they say Mustang GT on them. They also, again, have this vent right here. You know, just like it did in the front here, right? That I already showed you the replacement part for. And so where the new one is actually smooth. You know, well, this part goes here, and then you'll see that the other section I've got is for that right there. So yeah, this will go right here, replace the Mustang GT. Yeah, and then this guy will go right here. See, it hooks in, so it'll make this so much smoother down here. It won't say Mustang GT anymore. Basically, my Mustang GT is no longer going to be a Mustang GT, and I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it. We're down to the last box, the last big box here, and it's a big one. But actually, there's not a whole lot in it. You may have guessed there's a piece missing so far. And we've got the rear bumper in here. Okay. Getting a new rear bumper. It's a Cobra rear bumper. And let me show you what that looks like. This was the one thing that I debated maybe not changing, but I wanted the full Cobra look. The bumper is part of it. You know, one thing I did always kind of like about the GTs was just how the bumper came straight down. Which I'll show you guys here in a second, but when I really thought about it, I wanted the full Cobra body look. So, good thing again, comes with installation hardware, everything you need. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Okay, existing bumper. You can see, says Mustang GT on it. We're getting rid of everything and it goes straight down. And of course you have these tailpipes like I pointed out. So you'll see on the existing GT bumper, you know how it basically, and sorry, the car's really dirty. You know, there's not, it just kind of goes straight out. There's a little bit of, it goes up a little bit. For the most part, it's flat, right? You can see here in the new Cobra bumper, you end up with a pretty much more severe rake, which will allow your tailpipes to come out underneath and will actually have tailpipes sticking out, a lot more like the LXs look like, Mustang LXs. So, and it kind of finishes out the look of the car. That's everything. That's all the parts. We unboxed all the boxes. You know, and you guys can see exactly what's going on in the car. Now, this used to be a very common thing you would do with these cars, this body kit, you know, and honestly, it was very popular, and a lot of people don't like it. And nowadays, I hear most people actually not liking the Cobra parts on the GTs. But me personally, I still love it. I always wanted to do this. I've had this car since 2004, so almost 15 years now. Yeah, and it's something that I always wanted, so I'm doing this for me. I think it's going to look a lot better. I had in mind from day one that I wanted to do this type of body kit on the FoxBody. So yeah, I'm finally going to get to do it, and I'm really excited about it. Stay tuned because you're going to find out a few more things about Project FoxBody Tarheel. You're going to find out where I'm getting it painted. Obviously, all these parts have to be painted. And you're also going to find out who is painting it. And I think you're going to be surprised. It may not be who you think. And they've done a lot of other good work. If you want some sneak peeks at this stuff, go ahead and check out my Instagram, like I mentioned earlier, Gearhead704. I'm going to go ahead and posting up some of these things and kind of like an early preview of what I got going on for the videos. I usually post stuff on Instagram first. But yeah, anyway, that's where we're headed. So if you want to keep following the project and you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please hit the like button. And we'll see you next time on Gearhead704.